It's boring, but won't get you to $10,000 a month fast. Look, everyone wants to hit $10,000 a month, but no one wants to do the boring stuff that actually gets you there. People always want the sexy strategies, the secret hacks, the overnight success stories. But the truth is, success often equals doing a few simple things extremely well every single day. That's it. If it's the first time we meet, my name is Fred, and I've made thousands of dollars a day in profit with my online business, selling digital products, only having to work a few hours a day while traveling the world. And for context, I originally come from the low middle class. My father was a nurse and my mother a nursing assistant. Here's what most people don't understand. Most people quit because it feels slow. They're doing the work, they're putting in the effort, but they're not seeing massive results immediately, so they think it's not working. Surely something must be wrong. But that's where the compounding happens. Think about going to the gym. You don't go once or go once a week for like 3 weeks and then you come out ripped. It doesn't happen. You go consistently for months, even years, and then the results compound. The same is true with business, content, sales, or anything else in life really. Results come from volume plus consistency, not taking action once in a while when you feel like it. What I want you to understand is that motivation is temporary. Motivation is what gets you started, but boring, consistent action is what gets you to $10,000 a month and even beyond. And here's the thing, boring equals predictable, and predictable equals profitable when you do it right. When you can predict your results based on your inputs, what you do, you've built a real business. When you're relying on luck or hoping for a viral moment, you're gambling, and you don't build $1 million business by gambling. If you genuinely want to get to $10,000 a month, you need to stop chasing 10 different strategies at the same time. You need to pick one offer, one audience, one platform, and one system. That's it. Forget about the rest. The more focused your inputs are, aka your actions, the faster your outputs, aka your results, multiply. Every time you pivot to a new strategy, you're resetting your momentum. You're starting from scratch again, and that's actually the reason 99% of people never get rich. They can't focus on one single thing, one business model, long enough to make it work. And then they say it's not their fault if they're not rich. Come on. You don't need more ideas. You need more reps on one good idea. And I see this all the time. People try dropshipping for 2 weeks, then they see someone making money with affiliate marketing, so they switch. Then they hear about AI agencies, so they switch again. They never stick with anything long enough to get good at it or see great results. And then they wonder why they're still broke a year later. Come on. If you want to discover how I've made thousands of dollars a day online, I've made a free training that will show you everything step by step. The link will be in the description. And for a limited time, you can also apply to book a free call with me or a member of my team. On that call, we'll see what's blocking you from making more money, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step plan so you can start your business today, even with $0 in startup capital, and get your first customers as quickly as possible. The link is in the description, but be quick because we have very limited spots and they fill up fast. Now, let's talk about mastering the mundane tasks. The boring shit. Look, I know that this isn't what you want to hear, but the boring shit is what will make you $10,000 a month or more. These are the things that nobody sees but everyone benefits from. Things like tracking your numbers, your revenue, your calls, your leads, your profit margin, how many pieces of content you posted, sending follow-ups to prospects who didn't buy it or didn't reply yet, reaching out to new leads daily, reviewing what's working and what's not every single week or at least every single month. These are small, repetitive actions. They're not exciting, let's face it, they're fucking boring. Nobody's gonna make a viral video about tracking your metrics in a spreadsheet, but these boring tasks are what separate the people making $10,000 a month and way more than that from the people making a few $1,000s or nothing. Your $10,000 a month habits will feel almost boring because they're routine. You wake up, you do the same fucking thing, you get predictable results. It's that simple. I personally think that that's pretty cool because I'd much rather do boring things than scary things. Remember, boring is good. It means it's predictable and repeatable. And in business, that is exactly what we want. Something that profoundly changed my life is understanding that systems beat motivation every single time. Let's be honest, you won't always feel like working, neither do I. Some days, you're going to wake up and have zero motivation to create content or reach out to leads or get on sales calls. I still feel like that from time to time, even though I love what I do. You can't blame yourself for being human, buddy. However, your system, your routine should make that irrelevant. The goal is to create routines and automation so success happens by default instead of just by accident. For example, you make content to get customers, so you have a content schedule. Every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, you record content at 9 a.m. sharp. It doesn't matter if you feel like it or not, it's just what happens. You have an outreach process. Every morning, you send 100 DMs to potential clients, rain or shine, motivated or not. You have a client onboarding system. Every time somebody pays you, they automatically get access to your program and they receive a welcome email with the next steps. You're not having to do that manually every single time. Boring systems make exciting income. When you systemize the boring stuff, it runs in the background while you focus on high-value activities. And once you have these systems in place, making $10,000 a month becomes like clockwork. You're not reinventing the wheel every single day. You're just executing the system. Sure, if you wanted to make $1 billion, you'd probably need to do something out of the ordinary, but I can guarantee you, you don't need $1 billion to live an awesome life. And even if you do want to make $1 billion, first make $10, bro. Now, another lesson I'd like to share with you is that you want to focus on mastering high-income skills instead of blindly following trends. Learn one skill deeply. It could be sales, marketing, or paid advertising. Pick one and become exceptional at it. Valuable skills equals high income because you can charge premium prices. Don't get distracted by all the shiny objects you see. Boring mastery pays better than flashy mediocrity. I focused on sales and marketing for years. I wasn't out there chasing every new trend. I didn't try to master 10 different things at once. I just got really good at selling digital products and marketing them through content, even with very little views. And because I mastered that one skill, I can make thousands of dollars a day. If I had split my attention across 10 different things, I'd probably still be struggling. It's funny how quickly life can change. A few years ago, back when I was just getting started in the world of online business, I remember my parents would just keep asking me how my business was doing. And of course, I'd pretend everything was fine, when in reality, I wasn't making any money and I had no fucking clue what I was doing. I'd often cry myself to sleep because I felt like a fucking failure and I had no clue if I was ever gonna make it. So you can bet that when I saw my first $1,000 day at the age of 21, I ran to my mom to show her my screen. She was in disbelief, but that look on her face was worth all the struggle and all the sacrifices I ever made, I can tell you that. If you want to discover how I've made thousands of dollars a day online, I've made a free training that will show you everything step by step. The link will be in the description. And for a limited time, you can also apply to book a free call with me or a member of my team. On that call, we'll see what's blocking you from making more money, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step plan so you can start your business today, even with $0 in startup capital, and get your first customers as quickly as possible. The link is in the description, but be quick because we have very limited spots and they fill up fast. Here's another boring thing that will get you to $10,000 a month. Tracking boring metrics. Most people only track revenue. It looks cool, right? How much money you made. But that's it. They don't track anything else. You need to track the daily inputs instead. Otherwise, you have no way to increase how much money you're making because you don't know what caused it in the first place. Track the numbers of calls you made, the messages you sent, and how many pieces of content you posted. These boring metrics predict the exciting ones, aka money in the bank. If you make 10 sales calls a day and you close 20% of them, that's 2 sales. If your average sale is $1,000, that's $2,000 a day. 20 calls equals 4 sales equals $4,000. See how the math works? But you can only see this if you're tracking the boring metrics. You can't manage what you can't measure. And if you were to track your metrics, you'd know if I want to double my amount of customers, I need to double how many calls I get. So I need to double how many views I'm getting, post more content, make better content, or just spend more money on paid advertising. On profitable campaigns, of course. You don't want to spend money into a void, obviously. I track everything, all the way from how many pieces of content I post, how many DMs I send, how many sales calls I have, my conversion rate, my average transaction value, etc. And because I track all this boring data, I can predict my income. I know that if I post X amount of content and get X amount of views, I'll get Y amount of calls, which will lead to Z amount of sales. It's not luck. It's literally just mathematics. Something I understood early on, and that's actually key to success, is that discipline beats dopamine. Boredom is a sign you're on the right track. It means you've built consistency. The winners find peace in repetition. You don't need to constantly do new things. You need to get better at what's already working. Most people are addicted to dopamine. They want the excitement of something new all the time, but that's exactly what keeps them broke. The people making real money, I'm not talking about a few bucks here and there, I'm talking about real fuck you money. These people are doing the same boring things every day and getting incrementally better at them. They're not chasing dopamine hits constantly, they're chasing results instead. Look, I know this isn't sexy. I know you probably wanted me to share some secret hack or shortcut to $10,000 a month. But the truth is, there is no shortcut. The shortcut is doing the boring work that everyone else is too fucking impatient to do. The shortcut is focusing on one thing instead of 10 different things. The shortcut is building systems and tracking your numbers and mastering one high income skill deeply. If it feels boring, well, good. It's usually a sign it's working. The people making $10,000 a month aren't doing crazy things. They're doing simple things with scary consistency. They're posting content when they don't feel like it. They're reaching out to leads when they'd rather scroll social media. They're tracking their numbers when they'd just rather wing it. And every single month they take time to review what's working and what's not, instead of assuming, oh, I'm doing great, everything's fine. And because they do these boring things consistently, they get awesome results. And then people envy their results in life, of course. While everyone else is chasing the next shiny object, they're compounding their efforts and making more money every single month. That's how you get to $10,000 a month fast, not by finding some secret method, but by committing to the boring fundamentals and executing them better than everyone else. If you want to discover how I've made thousands of dollars a day online, I've made a free training that will show you everything step by step. The link will be in the description. And for a limited time, you can also apply to book a free call with me or a member of my team. On that call, we'll see what's blocking you from making more money, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step plan so you can start your business today, even with $0 in startup capital, and get your first customers as quickly as possible. The link is in the description, but be quick because we have very limited spots and they fill up fast.